Hello, my name is Natasha and I will be your tutor here today at Ditsay. So today we will be discussing the difference between the three types of there in the English language. The first will be in orange, the second in black, and the third in blue. So the first there, spelled T-H-E-R-E, can be used in referring to the location of an item or to a location itself. So, for example, my dog sleeps there, or my family lives in Florida. Have you ever been there? Or my shoes are over there. So, in all of these sentences, the word there is used in referring to the location of an item or individuals. The word there, this version, can also be used to introduce a sentence. For example, there is no one home. Or, there are birds in that tree. In the second set of examples, the word there does not refer to a location. However, it acts as an introduction to the sentence. The second there, spelled T-H-E-I-R, refers to the possession of an item. For example, that is their car, meaning that the individuals you are speaking about own that vehicle. Another example would be, have you been to their house? Or, it is their cat, meaning that they own their house, their cat, their car. Anything that we own, we would use there for. The final there, spelled T-H-E-Y apostrophe R-E, is a combination word, meaning that it combines the words they and are to shorten to there. This version of there can only be used if it can be replaced with the words they and are. For example, in the sentence, they're married, we can use there, or we could say they are married. We also could use it in the sentence, they have the same parents, so they're sisters. Or we could say, they have the same parents, so they are sisters. Before we move on, do we have any questions about the three types of there? Excellent. Thank you so much.